Good day everyone, I'm AXCEL PLEGINO from San Isidro Elementary School, Bayan-Bayanan. For today's video, we're making mango banana smoothie with malunggay. Before we start, I'm gonna share you the health benefits of our smoothie. High in vitamin C, improve our digestive system, and it can boost our immune system. We're done with the health benefits, I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Here we have mangoes, bananas, malunggay, and milk. So now let's do the procedure. Always remember, be careful when using knife or sharp objects or using the blender. Let's chop our mangoes. We're done, let's put it all in our blender. Let's put the ice. Now we're done. Let's now try it. So delicious. We're done. Thank you for watching.